talk down. Guy, about you just see.
Then I don't.
I don't buy on and I don't support estate in Lekki. What of 500 billion naira? I don't jail for it.
Just cloud chasing, nothing come out.
I say,
nothing come out.
Guy, don't be mad. Entertainment, they give money now.
Which kind of talk? Why they make noise here? Who tell you saying get money pass?
I don't so carpenter
in the work.
I don't the musician in the app. Look at about 500 million estates for your boys in Lekki. I don't know in the bring.
You how you see him?
In boys, so don't be saying.
Now, guy, reason this talk now.
Wait first. You never now going don't say. Oh yeah, make a Lego. I want one. Just me good imagine now. What you now? Just when you me good imagine now. 200 million just be in account.
Account to come.
Hey, so 200 million just buy now. Just try again. As my man.
My short.
Try get 5 million.
I just short order and Cubana for the night.
I swear. Maybe 5 million. Aye. Okay, can you work 5 million?
You know 5 million. As what you know?
Don't worry. Oh, we go. Yeah, 5 million.
Ego.
Before you know it, yeah. 1 million.
No, 1 million. You're supposed to employ me as a security guy. It's with
I don't give you 1 million.
I'm again. Alaba boy there. Can get 1 million out of 4 days. Is that one money for? What is that? I mean, start out of 4 million in 1 million. Alaba boy there is the best stupid also. I'm working about it. Push me. I push you. What you going to do? If I'm one back off for line here. I don't crack up. You know what? Out of 200 million, 1 million. I don't get it back. Wait, idiot. 1 million, how go? Guy, you don't move up.
At this hot afternoon, what is the problem?
Oh, come on, come on, I tell you something. Today, now my niggas, so they are just the discuss. Niggas, they are my friends.
Oh,
they now come to talk saying you don't get money. They don't want to follow me talk. I come to tell the saying you don't get money. They come to talk anyhow. From there, this Muguna, you don't what?
I don't know if which one be Mugu among them? I want to
see this guy. Calm down. Talk to me. Okay. So inside the breathe like this. This Mugu. Out of 200 million naira. Instead of give me 1 million naira, 70 apple. What that? I will stop and say.
Calm down. No be me hold the money. No be me.
Okay, listen now.
I want to reason now because you go. I dey get BP. I dey get Obrambali to pick up. Calm down.
Somebody give me mention the money.
Calm down. Now what thing happen? But the money will enter. Listen, my name na Kezaya. I dey care. If you come to my kinsmen, if person die, if they give us goods, na me they share, and what they know they come out. If they bring nama give us, na me they share. If the other time they bring, they them do the ones to, yeah, the governor, he bring palliative for all umudure people. Now my house they hand them over to me. Na me share them. Take a share. Umudure hakokre, umudure shilekre, umumunike all the kindred. Honey, everybody get them. No quarrel. There's no fight like this. So how much are we talking about? How much?
200 million naira now. This is not giving 1 million.
Calm down. 200 million naira. Bring her. Let me share it. No, all of them get them happy. So Eleya, bring her. The money now 200 million naira.
Yes.
Okay, how much you don't give to these people?
5 million.
When you get 5 million, you collect 5 million. This one 5 million. This one 5 million. 5 million. That is 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 million don't come out for the 200.
You only 180.
Remaining 180. You want to give him 1 million. As your man. You go take the remaining 179. 179. You go take it.
If you finish, you come back. I'll give my family.
If the money finish again, you go come. Both you finish here. You are not a good friend. But that is not the reason I am here. We are going to settle this. Friends, they get quarrel. Family, they get quarrel. Husband and wife, they get quarrel. But what matters, or the implementation, the dispute of the quarrel is how it was settled at the end of it. Yes. They say at the end of every tunnel there must be light. I am a peacemaker. The whole of this Nigeria, now peace I do. I go to home making peace. I can never bring pieces. So please, where is the remaining 1,179,000? Bring her. We know how to do it. The money belongs to all of you together.
Yes, yes.
All of us.
Yes.
The account, no need just say your account. Even if you want to take the money, where enter your account. If you say, okay, let me take 10,000 or 100,000, as the thing take enter your account. Since the money belongs to all of you, you didn't share it well. You didn't share. If this guy now they get you work, I don't see her. Only one hand will touch work and I form. So bring the money.
Chief, thank you. God bless
the money
you.
never enter now. I just imagine. I know because I say you don't enter. The money never enter. I say if you enter, I will give you 5 million. As my man, then I'm there. If I give her 1 million, if you finish, you go come back again. I will give him another money. And my man is there.
When you talk say the money don't enter, now what you tell us here now?
I say if the money enter, if it enter. I never say it don't enter. English, if it enter.
The money don't enter. So money don't enter. Now you dey they do this kind of thing.
Wait a minute. This fight and quarrel and bomb action and able block and atom and bomb. Now audio money.
Yes.
Hey! Audio money.
When we go beat this boy for here, sir.
Wait, I hate to young people that talk too much. What got to go? About
5 million. 5 million, don't spend finish.
No, the thing they say, tell us that the money don't enter. How come they tell us you never enter? We go beat you for this place, so go beat you when we're here. Okay, so the whole I make you not beat you.
I don't even call this.
My problem is say,
hey! 9 months so mad.
Divide the case more.
9 months so mad. So because of money, we never enter. You assume. Imagination say how I wish 200 million enter on account. When I can't take and they kill on myself. At this hot afternoon, when I dey here, they divide, they count, they calculate and you don't money. When I dey here, no money here here. When I don't know how much we and you don't get. When I don't know how much we and you don't get. I cause with 10 million naira. Here Therefor with 20 billion. Cause of final. Money na big part. They've been dumb. Now he own be who. All the musicians you do my way. You can't have you add the well loaded. They get loaded any motor. Hey, I'm ashamed of all of you. Three people came out of somebody's placenta or through the anus. Because hey, I am disappointed in all of you. So because of somebody's money that you didn't even work for. In this short afternoon, so many of your mates are in somewhere doing one or two things. Doing something that is very lucrative, something that is very, very achievable. And all you could do is to sit down here, fight yourself, kill yourself because of audio money that you have not seen. Something you didn't work for. I cannot talk about what I don't work for. Anybody that is discussing money that is not work for, that person must be a thief. Are you people thieves? Are you armed robber? Don't you have shame? You are a shame to your family. You are a disgrace to Igbo land. Igbo people are not known for this. We are known for struggling, making money, working so hard, and then any big. Go to Alaba International and see what our brothers are doing there. Go to Ladipo. Go to Lagos Island. Go to so many places that our Igbo brothers are doing business. Go to UK. Go to America, Italy, and other places. Everywhere, anywhere you see Igbo man, they are doing well, hustling, fighting to make a living. And the people are here discussing other people's wealth. And you don't buy house. The video buy dog. The other person buy this. Those that have worked hard to make their money and you are here, your own is just to discuss their money. Tomorrow you will expect God to bless you. Bible said, I will bless the works of your hands. He did not say, I will bless the laziness of your hand. Everybody should hear my voice. Tomorrow now you will say, Chichimo, you talk too much. I hate that man. He talks too much. Why wouldn't I talk? If I were to be your parent, I would talk and scream. In fact, I would hang myself because you people are disappointment. Handsome young men. Handsome but no brain. Beauty without brain. Stupid people. Igbo people, we don't lazy around. Anybody that lazies around is not an Igbo person at all. You are not supposed to be identified with Igbo people. I need a bottle.